Undermount sinks are a beautiful accent to Riverstone quartz and Corinthian solid surface countertops. Proper installation will help to ensure long-lasting beauty and durability. Follow these simple steps to ensure use for years to come. Begin by gathering the needed materials for installation of your Undermount sink. Required tools include a pencil, denatured alcohol, silicone caulk, Undermount sink clips, and 2-part epoxy. If an installation kit was purchased, the Undermount sink clips and 2-part epoxy will be included. If you need to purchase any of the required items, visit your local Menards store. Set the countertop in place with the unfinished underside facing up. Position the sink side upside down, centered over the sink cutout with equal amounts of overhang or reveal available on all sides of the sink. With a pencil or a fine-tipped marker, trace the outer rim of the sink to the underside of the countertop. With denatured alcohol, wipe the underside of the countertop where the sink rim and anchoring posts will be adhered to. Allow this area to thoroughly dry before moving to the next step. Place your anchoring posts. Anchoring posts should be next to your traced line, but not inside the area where the sink rim will adhere to the countertop. Anchoring posts will need to be positioned at the 4 corners and central locations along the width and length of the sink. Mark the locations of the Undermount sink anchoring posts by tracing around the posts with a pencil or fine-tipped marker. Do not place anchoring posts in front of the sink, as this will impede installation of the countertop. Clean the mounting locations that were marked in the previous step. Prepare your 2-part epoxy. Make sure to mix thoroughly, otherwise the epoxy will not set. With an epoxy, bond the Undermount sink anchoring post to the underside of the countertop at the 4 corners and central locations along the cutout's width and length. Smooth the epoxy around the anchoring post and let the epoxy dry for a minimum of 20 minutes. Run a 1/4-inch bead of silicone caulk inside the traced sink rim area or the underside of the countertop. Clean the rim of your sink prior to mounting. Allow the rim to completely dry before installation. Position the Undermount sink within the traced area and butting up to the anchoring posts. Press down firmly. Attach the Undermount sink to the anchoring posts with the supplied brackets and wing nuts. Wait approximately 1 hour for the caulk to set before moving the countertop section for final placement.